Hi friends, hola amigos, thanks for joining us for our STEM time. Today we are going to be making a cloud in a jar. Let's get to it. So what you're going to need is a jar with a lid. It could be a pasta jar or anything you have that you can put the lid on top. And then we need about 1/3 cup of hot water. We need some ice and some hairspray. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our jar, and I'm gonna pour this in here first. This is my hot water. I've already measured it out with my third cup, so I'm gonna pour that in here. It's nice and steaming, and then you're gonna pour that in your jar. And then you want to swirl it around a little bit so you get the sides warm. And then we're going to put some ice in our lid, some ice cubes. Put as many as you like. It fits. Oops. Slippery little sucker. And then we're just going to put this on top. And then hopefully you should start seeing some steam start to rise. And then we're going to spray a little hairspray. So we're just going to remove the lid real quick and spray a little hairspray. And then I'll meet you back so we can watch the cloud. Okay, do you see the cloud forming in there? And then what we're going to do, you see it moving and swirling around? What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the lid, and then we're gonna see the cloud come out of the jar. You ready? Here we go. And there's your cloud. I hope you enjoyed making your own cloud. When you add the warm water to the jar, some of it turns to water vapor. The water vapor rises to the top of the jar where it comes into contact with cold air from the ice cubes. Water vapor condenses when it cools down, but a cloud can only form if the water vapor has something to condense onto. In nature, water vapor may condense onto dust particles, air pollution, pollen, volcanic ash, etc. But in our experiment, the water vapor condensed onto the hairspray. To explore further, try making your cloud without the ice or use a different material other than the hairspray. Please comment below on what happens during your experiments or post a pic. Thanks for joining us.